back to episode 2 of Cooking with Nonna. This is Nonna Anna and I'm Lauren.
And today we're going to cook lasagna.
With bolognese sauce. So we showed you in the first episode how to make the pasta and then how to make the sauce. And today it's basically putting it all together as a lasagna.
That's good. Yeah, in here we got the pasta sheet, and we got Parmigiano cheese and the mozzarella cheese and the sauce. I made the pasta sheets last night, so today is quick to do.
And we've just popped them in the freezer between some sheets of plastic so they don't stick together.
You know, if you're gonna do the pasta, you know, in the morning and do the lasagna later, it's a bit too much work.
Too much for one day.
Too much for one day. So I always do the pasta, you know, in the night before, and the next day I make the sauce, and then I boil the sheets, and then you put them all together with the cheese and the sauce.
The pasta sauce is the same sauce as we did last time.
The same like the bolognese sauce. This time I only put the peas. Sometimes you can put mushroom or whatever you like.
So Nonna's getting the water all nice and boiled. She's added some salt. Do you make this pasta sheets any thicker than last time, or is it exactly the same as last time?
The same as last time.
Okay.
You do the sheets the same last time. See, last time after we cut like a tagliatelle.
Yeah.
So this time you leave a hole, alright? So can I cook some?
Yes, let's get going.
Nonna put it 2 at a time, or depend how big is the saucepan. And then you let it, you know, just to come to the boil. You know, to boil a few seconds, few seconds, how long, to get them out. And then we put them in the cold water, so it doesn't stick all together. In the meantime, we put another 2. Then after we get it out from here, and Nonna give it just a little bit of dry, not too much.
So you just lay them out to dry. A little bit of sauce.
Leave the sauce on the bottom so it doesn't stick.
Yeah.
Okay, then you put the sauce. I usually move the hand, but today we gotta do something different.
Because you're on camera.
Because I'm on camera, yeah. We use the Parmigiano cheese.
That's the Parmesan.
And the mozzarella cheese. Another cheese, alright? Like that. And then if it's too long, you cut.
So what you did just there was you were going to put another layer on, but it overlapped. So every time it overlaps,
you put the sauce in.
You put more sauce in.
Yeah. No, this one here is going to cut them in half. I'm going to put them like this, you see? Make it full. Okay. That's it. Till you feel, you know, to how much you want it, how big the dish is. If you want it very thick, you put them in a more layer. If you want it, but the minimum you can do 5 or 6 layers.
So minimum 5 or 6 layers.
5 or 6, yeah.
You normally do about 6 layers?
Yeah, I make it. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna get the other one out. I turn it on the front of yours. I usually turn on the other side. And when I make the pastry, I always I count the sheets. So if I want to make 2 tries, now I know, you know, so many sheets in each try.
So how many total sheets did you make this time?
I
didn't count this time.
Have a look on the paper there. There's something there.
Nonna made 16 sheets this time.
So I might get 2 dishes like this.
So 8 sheets per dish.
Yeah.
How many eggs did you use? How much flour? It doesn't matter, you always have leftovers.
Nonna's always make a plenty for everybody. When I'm usually make a 2, 3, 4, and then I give to everyone. This time I use about a kilo pasta.
Kilo of flour.
1 kilo flour, 8 eggs, and a glass of water.
Okay. So made a lot this time.
Make all this. We carry on here now. Sometimes what I do, I cook the pastry first and then I freeze it. And then when I wanted to do the lasagna, just to make the sauce, I get the pastry already cooked and I do straight away.
So it's much quicker.
It's quicker, yeah. Because the sauce is a little bit thick, Laura, I'm gonna put a little bit of this water.
Just to thin it out a little bit.
Yeah. The water from cooking, see? I think I'm gonna leave. Faccio this is the last one, Laura. So no come too high. If you make it too high in the dish, when you cook it, come out.
It rises up.
Yeah, rise them up, yeah.
I have some friends from the US, from America, who they liked your Australian Italian accent.
Yeah, they like it. Oh my God. The one on top, you try to make it nice even, See, that's nice. And before you cook, you cut a little bit like that. Otherwise, jump up.
Has that happened before, Nonna?
Yeah, that happened. Yeah. Real lasagna. Yeah. We cook in the oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. We put the alfoil before we put in the oven. And when it's about 15 minutes, you can take the alfoil out, and then you leave another 5 minutes, to freeze. Otherwise, it dries too much.
It gets too dry, okay.
Too dry, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna have a cup of tea now, all right?
Okay.
Nonna gets a plate.
Nonno's got his plate already. What was that? Sorry, Nonno?
My turn is coming.
Yeah. Poor Nonno's been feeling a little bit left out, haven't you? You'll show us how to make the tomato sauce, right?
Yes.
What else?
And vino and salami.
Coming soon.
Coming soon, yeah.
Looking good.
Nice. Just to see how wet it is, because if it's too wet, I'll put it back. Make a nice crispy and pop.
And we pop it in for how much longer?
Oh, it all depends. Sometimes 10 minutes, 5 minutes, it depends. Nice and crispy, now we get them out. 1.
So it was another 10 minutes or so?
Yeah, from before, yeah. Beautiful. All done, now ready to eat.
So this is our finished lasagna. Looks good, huh?
Look beautiful.
Very yummy.
So you can take one home and then we'll leave one for Nonna.
Thank you, Nonna. Thank you very much. So, Nonna, do you want to come in? Do you want to tell us what we're making next time?
Next time, we're going to make capelletti and tortellini. And I'm head chef.
Nonna's turn this time. Ciao.
Ciao for now.
Ciao.
We'll see you next
next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Alright, I'll put them in or what? And you can film there, and then I'll do here the dish.
And Nonno's here,
No.
hanging out as well. Hi, Nonno.
Hello.
I'm going good. I'm in charge of the kitchen. You are my apprentice.
Yes.
And we are originally from Bologna. That's why we got Bolognese sauce.
Tell us how long you normally cook it in the oven for.
For 3 hours.
20 minutes. 20 minutes. No, 20 minutes at 200 degrees. No, don't worry. Everybody like a non-lasagna. Don't worry. Have to be enough of it.
What was it, Nonno, that you said?
I'm going to get the plate ready.
Want me to cook? Have it there? How do you give it a go? What do you do? Oh, they can see just the side. One there. Oh, actually, no, lot in it. So I'll put foil first.
You put what?
I'll foil to cook.
Oh, okay. We're downloading YouTube to Nonna's phone so she can watch herself. Did you enjoy the video we made last time?
Yeah, very nice.
Did your friends like it?
Everybody like it. They reckon is the why really you do the cooking.
The traditional way.
Yeah, the one lady she saw on the video.
Yeah.
And she said, "I'm waiting for the next one." Oh my God.
Everyone loved you, Nonna. They liked Nonno too. They thought you were very funny. Oh, Nonna's got some eggs. Thank you.
Cook.
That's a big egg.
Brand new one.
Okay, Nonna, ready, go.
Ciao for now.
I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye bye.